yesterday. I made these two yesterday. So it's ready, guys. It's the bond plan.
Good evening, viewers. Well, come with me as I do my night routine. Like when the kids have gone to bed, this is how I organize my night routine, guys. So when the kids have gone to bed, I tend to do little clean up because the next day it will be hectic with the guests. Those are how I organize my time, okay? So I've written some books, like some things that I'm going to do the next day. Now I'm just going to do some tidy up because the kids have played a lot today, and I've taken my clothes inside my hanger inside the house because it tends to rain outside the balcony, so I don't have other place to put my hanger, so that's why I place it there. Okay, now I'm going to do some cleanup on the floor. I'm going to mop and I'm going to sweep. This is how I tend to keep my house clean. It's also good when you're a mom that have a hectic day. So cleaning in the night is another best choice, so that the next day you will be free from cleaning. You will know that is other things that you will do. So come with me, guys. They are sleeping, so I'm just the only one awake. I'm trying to tidy up the whole place, and the whole, that is the table, or dining table where we eat. The kids messed it up today, so I hurt my legs, guys. I hurt my legs. I hurt my leg when I was taking the kids to hospital yesterday. So that's why my leg is like this. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to quickly and clean. So I'm going to take this bucket inside the bedroom. Then I'm just going to be doing it like this. So guys, my bedroom was like that. So guys, I don't know, let me put it here so you guys can see me, okay? So you can get to see what I'm doing. Okay. So after I do this, guys, the next day I'll be free to take care of the kids without any distraction. Will help you in any way. Please do want to like this video and do want to subscribe to my channel, okay? Stay blessed. Bye. Thank you very much.